The Suncoast Campaign for Grade Level Reading is bringing Remake Learning Days to Charlotte, DeSoto, Manatee, and Sarasota counties in the spring of 2022. And we want you to be a part of it.
Why doesn't it close?
Suncoast Remake Learning Days is a 10-day festival of free, hands-on learning events for children and families. Think of it as the world's largest multi-venue open house for hands-on learning. The dates are from April 29th to May 8th.
You can be involved by hosting an event, partnering with other organizations to plan an event, and being a community ambassador to help generate widespread participation. Suncoast Remake Learning Days will forge connections between businesses, arts organizations, museums, libraries, schools, colleges, universities, faith-based organizations, out-of-school organizations, and child care centers, highlighting the important role families and caregivers have in the process of learning and affirming that we are all working together towards a greater good and greater outcomes for our children and families.
Suncoast Remake Learning Days events will be organized by different learning themes, such as the arts, maker spaces, outdoor learning, science, technology, and youth voice.
Thanks to the generosity of the Patterson Foundation, there are financial supports for participating organizations that will ensure these multi-generational hands-on learning experiences are robust, accessible, open to the public, and all events are free.
The time to express your interest in being part of this exciting opportunity is now. Use this QR code and a Suncoast Campaign for Grade Level Reading engagement team member will connect with you and share more information about the role you can play in Suncoast Remake Learning Days.